one of the biggest questions we get is, how long should my YouTube videos be? What's the ideal video length? And my answer is yes. And it's not even the proper way to answer the question, but it's like, yeah, absolutely. They go, what? Did you miss it? I go, no, like you should do 7-second shorts, 60-second shorts, 3-minute YouTube videos. 8's great because now you can add multiple ad spots. 12 to 16 and 18, that works great. 30 though is great. My friend Lewis Howes and Evan Carmichael, in their niche, but their best performing stuff that's crushing right now is 3-hour, 4-hour uploads, which are compilations a lot of times of Gary V's 150 rules of success or whatever. And Evan will take like all his videos and smash them together. And then Lewis, as a video podcast interviewer, has this big catalog of his own stuff, and he'll summarize it into topic. And he'll talk about 7 ways to protect yourself in the recession. And he has all of these voices that are strong in personal finance and money. And he'll make a 3-hour and 33-minute compilation on that one topic. And these videos are crushing. So what is the best video length for YouTube? 30 seconds and 3 hours and 30 minutes and everywhere in between.
Yeah.